Common understanding of terms used in front office accounting. Here, we are going to study some of the terms that are commonly used in front office accounting. So, first let's study about guest and non-guest account. Guest account is a record of financial transactions which occur between a guest and the hotel, whereas a non-guest account refers to the account maintained for groups or agencies. What is a folio? A folio is a statement of all transactions, debit or credit, of a single accounting head, which, when created, starts at 0. At the time of guest departure, the balance should be returned to 0 through various methods of payments. There are 4 different types of folios. Guest folio. These are accounts of individual person of guest rooms. Master folio. These are accounts of more than one person or guest rooms and are usually maintained for groups. Non-guest folio. They are also called semi-permanent folio and are the account of non-guest business or agencies. Employee folio. They are the accounts of various employees with charge purchase privilege and not always handled by front office. Now let's come to vouchers and ledgers. It is a detail of transaction that has to be posted on to the folio. Vouchers are seen at restaurants, gift shops, laundry, fitness center, etc. Some vouchers which are used in front office accounting are cash vouchers, charge vouchers, transfer vouchers, allowance vouchers, correction vouchers, and paid out vouchers. Ledger. A ledger is a summary grouping of accounts. Front office ledger is a collection of front office account folios. A ledger is divided into guest ledger, which is only maintained for guests, and city ledger, which is maintained for non-guests. There are other front office accounting terms that are also important to know for a cashier. For instance, charge privileges. During check-in, a guest presents a direct billing authorization or an acceptable credit card. After obtaining the card number and expiry date of credit card, information is sent to the credit card company with a request for an amount guarantee. The guest is then authorized to make credit purchases. Cash control. The term cash includes coins, currency notes, traveler's checks, bank checks, and more. In small hotels, only one person handles the cash. In large hotels, the cash is received by various departmental cashiers. It can be divided into 2 groups: incoming cash and outgoing cash. Credit control. There are 2 types of credit control facilities provided in hotels. The resident guests are ordinarily allowed credit so long as they stay. These guests pay the bills only at the time of departure. There is yet another credit facility where the guests may not pay the bills even at the time of departure. Credit monitoring. The front office monitors guests and non-guests' accounts to ensure that they are within the permissible credit limit. Though floor limits are set by the credit card companies, still, front office needs to take approval on the credit cards. One of the key activities of front office accounting is tracking transactions. Here, different types of transactions have different effects on the front office accounting system. Each transaction is communicated through a different voucher to front office. Some of these transactions are charge purchase. It represents deferred payment transactions so that the guest receives goods and services from the hotel but does not pay them at the time they are provided. Cash payment. Cash payments are made at the front office either to decrease the balance of account to settle an account or to prepay accommodation. Account allowance. Account allowance is involved in two types of transactions. One is given for poor services and for rebates for discount coupons. The other one is given for correction of posting error detected after the close of business. Account correction. An account correction transaction rectifies a posting error on a folio. It is made on the same day the error is made, before the close of business. Cash advance. Cash advance is a transaction that reflects cash flow out of the hotel. It is a debit transaction as it increases the outstanding balance of an account. A front office requires maintaining a cash sheet. Front office cash sheet is a document that enlists the receipt and disbursement of cash. The cash sheet is used to reconcile cash at hand at the end of the day or shift with document transaction of the day or shift. The various transactions that are recorded on the cash sheet are: the settlement amount on departure of a room, advance paid by a guest at the time of registration, various paid outs given to guests or on behalf of the guest,